future leaders, if you are a student, a job seeker, or someone who just want to understand the government's big money plan discussions, then this video is your one-step guide for understanding this year's union budget. So forget about the boring news debates and complex charts. In this video, I am breaking the concept of Union Budget 2025 in a simple language without any complex words and only straight facts that matters to you. From free tablets to more jobs, from skill development to AI innovations, this year's Union Budget is packed with game-changing updates. So stay till the end of this video to understand where this money comes from, what's in it for you, and how it is shaping our future. Point number 1. Focus on youth and skill development. This year, the government has shown a lot of attention on young minds. More funding for PM Kaushal Vikas Yojana, which means more training programs for coding, carpentry and digital marketing and more. AI and robotic courses are being introduced in schools and colleges under tech-driven learning. A brand new National Youth Employment Mission has been launched. Its aim is to help young people to find relevant skills and connect them to actual job opportunities. Now let's talk about why it matters to us. Learning real-world skills that actually help us to get a job is equal to more confidence and better career paths. Point number 2. Educational sector boost. Education is finally getting the attention that it deserved. There is 13% increase in education budget, which means more money for teachers, classrooms, libraries and digital resources. Digital learning is getting a boost in India. Scholarships for girls backward communities is getting a massive support. Now let's talk about why it matters to us. More accessibility is equal to more students like you getting a fair chance for quality education. Point number 3. Startup and business push. Have a dream to start something new? Then this is your sign, because tax benefits for startups have been extended, which means small businesses can now grow without any heavy burden. There is a massive support for green technologies, AI startups and even rural entrepreneurships. Make in India is being powered up again, which includes encouraging local brands and reducing imports. Now let's talk about why it matters to us. The world's next big idea might come from college dorm, maybe even yours. Point number 4. Jobs and employment. Well, I think this is the best part because more jobs equal to more hope. There are massive investments in infrastructure like roads, railways and airports, which directly create lakhs of job opportunities. Over 60 lakh jobs are created in these sectors. Why it matters to us? Whether you are a fresher or just came out of your college, now you will have more places to apply and a better future. Point number 5. Healthcare and safety. Free health checkups for youth under government schemes. Budget for women's safety have been increased. Why it matters to you? A safe and healthy India is equal to a confident and fearless generation. Technology and digital India. The future is digital and the future is now. There are huge investments in AI, 5G, cybersecurity and tech infrastructure. There is a launch of India's own AI mission, which is a national program to make us a global AI hub. Why it matters to you? If you love tech and if you are dreaming about building something new, then this is a playground which you are dreaming about. Point number 7. Where does the money come from? Now let's quickly understand where all this money comes from. This money comes from income tax from working people, GST from things we buy, corporate taxes from huge companies, and sometimes loans. And this money is spent on education, infrastructure, defense, and health. So here's the conclusion. This budget may look like another news update, but if you look closely, this is a blueprint for your future. So that's the union budget of this year, which directly speaks to the new generation of India. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hey, tell me in the comments that which part of the budget stood out to you the most. This is Praj Logic, breaking down big stuff so you don't have to. Until next time, keep learning, stay aware, and stay logical.